This summer is about to see a whole lot of my natural hair. I mean, just look at these juicy, bouncy curls. And it's because of this new all-in-one wig from hergivenhair. Y'all, I have to tell you all about this. I'm wearing it right now with leave out. I done got a little too happy and I shook the decor. Listen, this is a summer and natural hair game changer, and I want to tell y'all all about it. Now let's get into why we're here. Y'all, this is a new all-in-one half wig from hergivenhair in the texture 3B3C. This new version of the half wig comes with a 1x2 lace space, and that helps us to have the option to choose whether we want to wear it with leave out or without it. Wearing it without it is basically a glueless wig, so that's an amazing new perk to have, and it still comes with the drawstring, so you'll have a secure feel, which helps it look more realistic when you're wearing it either way. Because this is a protective style for me, I am choosing to go ahead and go in with some braids. You can also use flat twists for your installation. My hair typically does better with braids underneath my wig, so that's just what I'm opting to do. The fun thing about this braid pattern, these first two braids is actually my leave out, but when I'm wearing it as a glueless wig, I just tuck it behind my ear under my wig cap, and it's tucked away until I actually want to wear it with leave out, and then I just pull it out, unbraid it, and I'm ready to go. It's just something about a freshly clean scalp when you're braiding it that is so enticing to me. Here is another look at the construction with the 1x2 lace space, and I also really wanted to highlight the structure and how seamless this is. Y'all, they added a little track inside the front perimeter, so when you're wearing it natural, glueless, leave out, it's gonna be so seamless. The fact that this wig has so many layers of security, you have the adjustable strap, you have the added adjustable band, you have the comb in the back, and you have the drawstring. Round of applause to you, hergivenhair. Those clips was me showing you how it looked with the lace. I went ahead and cut that off camera, and now I'm just moving some of my little baby hairs that I have right there to kind of help with the glueless look. This is how she looks before I go in with some water and mousse, and that's all I did to get these curls popping and juicy. This 3B3C texture is very versatile. As you can see, if you would have left it how it originally came, if you wanted a more kinky 3B3C, just leave it how it is and you're good to go. I wanted to see these curls defined and see what they was working with, so that's why I chose to go ahead and go in and define them. And also, my natural hair is currently going through kind of like a, you know, damaged ends transitioning stage, so the looser curls worked with my texture for this install. So once we get to that point, you guys will see it. But can we take a second to appreciate the juiciness, appreciate the natural way it came, and the juiciness? They're both beautiful, but I really love how good these curls defined out. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. I did go in with some Lotta Body, just in case you wanted to know. It's basically almost gone. I love Lotta Body on curls, and we're just gonna brush that through with my diamond brush, and I'll come back to you guys to show you the look as a no leave out glueless wig. I went from a side part and I done moved it to the middle. That's just how quick and simple you can adjust this. This is a great option for people who this is not your natural texture. You don't have to have hair out if you don't want to. That's why this 1x2 lace space is so beneficial. Now, if you do want some leave out, this is the part where I just went ahead and took down those braids. I'm reapplying the wig to match out perfectly with that little part I have for my leave out. And once I do that, we're just gonna take out that leave out, get it defined to the best of my ability with some mousse, and go ahead and part it off the way I need it to match my hairline. Look at how seamless that lays. Once you go in and adjust your adjustable strap, it's even more secure and seamless because it helps to kind of pull that wig down closer to your hairline, and it just helps make everything look more realistic. If you're like me and you have some damaged natural hair, or if you just don't want your natural hair to hang down, I like to do the tuck behind the ear method. With curly hair, y'all, you will not be able to see this. It kind of hides underneath it, so it's the perfect way to give it that natural look at the root, but you can't see the ends of your hair. I'm going to repeat the same process on this side, but I am going in with some mousse because my hair does my hair does curl about 4 to 5 inches. It is time for me to get a trim slash cut to kind of help some of those ends, but for now, this works for me. My hair will revert to like a wavy curly state, and it's perfect for this install because I just need the roots to look like the wig because the ends are going to be tucked away, not trying to play. This is what I mean. I'm showing y'all how much I need to be cutting off. Don't come for me in the comments, okay? I'm going to be trimming and cutting as needed. I just didn't want a drastic cut right now because I'm not able to tend to my hair like I really need to. But with this wig right here It's looking like it's tended to very well, y'all. I'm so in love with the leave out look. It came together so well, and I have nothing else to say, but I love it. I love it. I love it. This is giving me the confidence and the will to want to wear my natural hair this summer. And it's a great protective style because I have no heat to my hair. I add oils and conditioners in my hair while it's sitting under this wig, and just look at it. Those two clips was the natural look and me trying to do a little something with these baby hair. So choose what's best for you. I'm loving, loving, loving how this came out. I had to do the little pick up the lace again because it just looks so seamless. Like, I can't believe that. So what do you guys think? Are you team curls this summer? Let me know down below. I definitely am. And I hope you guys can see the journey of my natural hair as I'm going through this naturalness. I did want to show a middle part with this wig. So thanks to my leave out, all I'm going to be doing is parting down the middle, lining it up with the wig lace, and we're good to go. Shout out to Her Giving Hair. The details, the links, the codes to save money is all down below, as well as that subscribe button. I would love for you to come take off with me and join me on this journey. Go ahead and check that out if you're interested, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.